there, welcome back to Lotto Scratching. I hope you're having a happy-go-lucky day today. All right, so I have one ticket today. It is a $20 ticket, 5,000 cash explosion. Prizes start at $30, and it is ticket number 026, and there are 29 chances to win. It's kind of juicy looking, and it's kind of funny because I watched Mr. Fixin's video earlier today, and he had a like a clerical error, or what do you call that? He almost gotten the wrong ticket, I believe it was, in the story, but then he chose to stick with his ticket that he originally wanted, and he got a winner on it. It was good for him. In my situation, I just literally had this happen. I had gotten quite a few tickets, and I did not want this ticket, but I didn't catch it till right just now, like right when I was starting to film. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's a good error. If not, maybe somebody will learn something from it. Okay, anyway, on with the scratching. So I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. So with this ticket, we're looking for money bags 2 times, 5 times, and 10 times. And then down below here, we have bonus prizes. So you could do 50, 75, 100, or 200, which would be amazing. All right, so just gonna scratch these numbers and hope it matches the winning number and we get a prize. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, 41. 60, 7, and 34, 37, 47, 33, 63, 61, 66, 70, 71, 49, 68, 66, 69, 36, 67, so we have 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Wow, okay. 44, 47, oops, 9, and 48. All right, as I move this up, I'm gonna say once again, I hope everybody's having a great day. I am actually having a very nice day myself, so win or lose, not gonna change my mood. I am happy. You just have those days every once in a while that just feels so nice. And today is one of those for me. And we just gotta be thankful for those days, right? And they're even more special. All right. 8, 70, 9, 49, 8, 69, 36, 49. And each of these games play separately. Otherwise, I would have had some wins by now. 38, 63, 31, 64, 36, 47, 39, 67, and last one, 38, 67. Okay, so no wins there, but that's all right. We still have some bonus. Okay, and yeah. All right, here we go. We're gonna start on this 50. Oh, and here we're looking for 2 identical symbols. Just 2. Okay, diamond, bill, crown, coin. Okay. Key, grapes, foot, wallet. And bank, wishbone, cherry, piggy bank. All right. Well, unfortunately, no win, but that's okay. It was an experience because I was really wondering, is this going to be one of those special tickets? But you know, I did learn, you know, I should have maybe said something, or, well, I guess it doesn't matter. I don't think you can take these back. So it is what it is. So here we are, no winner, but that's all right. And I do have more tickets coming in the days ahead. I am a small fry though. Like, I really don't have a huge budget for these, so I'm doing the best I can to kind of keep up with this. And I hope you are still enjoying. If you are, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, just please press like and help a girl out. All right. So I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.